Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram post problem or how to fix Instagram Reels not uploading. The first thing you will need to do is go into your Play Store. And from here, you want to search for Instagram, as you want to check if your Instagram app needs updating. And if it do need updating, I would recommend that you update it. After updating your Instagram app, you're going to close out of Play Store and you want to go into Settings. Once in Settings, you're going to scroll down and select Apps. Next, you're going to tap on the search icon in the top right hand corner and you're going to type in Instagram. Then you're going to select Instagram. Next, you're going to tap on Storage. And from here, you're going to tap on Clear Data in the bottom left hand corner. Then select OK. After you have cleared the data on Instagram, you're going to close out of Settings. And now you will be able to go into your Instagram app and upload Instagram posts and Reels like normal. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.